Above Future Builder, create a sized box, and give some height. Create padding widget, and give some padding on horizontal sides. Create text field inside it. Create text editing controller. Name text editing controller, and initialize it. Pass this controller to text field. Use input formatter, and pass a list to it. Inside it, pass filtering text input formatter for allow method to it. Then pass regexp method to it, and pass this query to accept only alphabets and numbers. Use onSubmitted property, and pass empty method to it which takes a parameter named value. Create another size box under it to give some spacing. Use decoration property, and pass input decoration property to it. Inside it, use content padding, give some padding only to left side. Use label text, and pass string to it. Use border, and pass outline input border to it. Inside it, use border side, pass border side widget to it, and also set color using color property of it. Use border radius, and make circular border using border radius.circular method. Now, use enable border, and copy-paste this outline input border here. Use focus border, and copy-paste this outline input border again, but change its color to blue. Also add width to all border side widgets. Now, use error border, copy-paste outline input border, and change its color to red. Now, use suffix icon property, pass padding widget to it, and give some padding only on right side. Create icon button inside it. Leave onPressed method empty right now, and pass search icon to this button. With this, search field is complete.